Gypsies, welcome back. And this cheap DIY is going to be sponsored by my pantry. These are all things that are in our pantry. These freeze-dried strawberries I get from Dollar Tree. I also get the freeze-dried apples. They make great snacks on the go or for school, but I'm going to use them in our sexy sugar scrub. We keep coconut oil. I still have some in the pantry as well, but I brought some extra. This is good for when you want to make dipping chocolate. This coconut oil is what makes the chocolate set once you've melted it. And this is the sugar that we use. All three of these things come from the Dollar Tree. This is Morena pure cane sugar. They sell it at Walmart, but you can get it for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So you can measure, but I'm just going to use the entire pack. This is a 20-gram pack of the strawberries. You see those? They smell amazing. They are so sweet. I'm just going to pour them in here. This is just going to give us some natural edible flavor for the sugar scrub. I'm going to pause so we don't hear this loud. See how loud it is? Yeah. And if you do not have a food processor, this is my mom's food processor that I got when I collected some stuff from the kitchen after she passed. So if you don't have a food processor, you can just keep it inside of this bag and with gentle force, because you don't want to bust the bag, hit it with like a metal spoon and crush it until it's really fine. You can have some crumbs. It won't make too much of a difference. Like I said, this is just, if you saw the picture at the beginning, winter dry chapped lips. My lips tend to get dry even when I'm using chapstick. So, if I can get this open. This coconut oil, you can just rub right on your skin if you just want to. If you don't want to make it flavored, you can rub it right on your skin. It's very moisturizing. You can use this. You should really, for your hair, they say to you, this is pure refined. Use the unrefined on your hair. But, like I said, in a situation where you're cash strapped, it's an emergency. Just a little bit, not a lot. Just in case you don't want to show some ash or your hair, your edges are a little dry. And you're just going to scrape all this out. I probably need my spatula. Let me grab it. And we're just going to use this whole 7.25 fluid ounce jar. Now that's because I have this big jar. If you have a smaller jar, you can just scoop a spoonful out, crush up a few strawberries, and make a smaller batch. No biggie. All right, and I'm going to pour my strawberry flavoring right in here. And we're just going to stir that around to flavor that up. And again, because they're dehydrated, you don't have to worry about liquid and moisture. This is mostly just about giving it a nice, natural, and edible flavor, because you will be putting this on your lips if you're making this as a sugar scrub. You can also use this on your body, on your rough parts in the shower. Scrub it a little bit. All right. And now we're going to move on to the sugar. These are dipping bowls that my mom also had, and we use them for dip, but it's also a measuring cup. It's a 4th cup measure. So I'm going to start with a 4th cup. Michael uses the sugar in his coffee. I have since stopped using sugar in my coffee. I allow myself maybe one day out of the month if I'm really just feeling it. So I just put 2 of those in there, and we're gonna stir and get it all whipped up. I'm gonna hold it up. You can already see it. And sugar scrubs are as useful as salt scrubs, except for the sugar scrubs are for sensitive skin. They're a little bit more gentler than the salt scrubs because the salt is a little bit more abrasive. So this can be your sexy Valentine sugar scrub that you put on your body before your date. You can use this year-round for your lips, and keep it in an airtight container like this for at least, I'll say a few months, 3 to 6 months. If you're putting it in the shower, definitely make sure that it's airtight. You don't want to just keep getting moisture in there. So here is the finished sugar scrub. I hope you gypsies enjoyed this simple video. It's cheap. It's way cheaper than buying a lip scrub off of Amazon. It's moisturizing and it smells and tastes delicious. So I will see you guys in the next Monday video. Bye, gypsies. Stay tuned for some sweet success Black History facts.